Hi brothers, this video is about the new season and as always, I will review the nerfs and buffs of the weapons in the season and I will suggest some good attachments and builds. Until I find new meta weapons, don't forget to like and stay with me. The first weapon is the Car 98, which you can get in Sector 5 of the Battle Pass. Car 98 without attachment can one-shot to 68 meters. But as always, this gun lacks something in the mobile version, the limitation of using high zoom optics. But this weapon is the best sniper game in this season. It has a high mobility and ability to knock down the enemy with a double shot. The Super 46, which was added in the new season and it can be unlocked in the 30 Battle Pass tier, has a short TTK and with high mobility and a good attachment, it can get the job done for you. Morse Sniper, which finally came to the game, but it has been balanced and I think it's not a good choice despite the Car 98, because everything I tried, even with the enemy headshot, it cannot be knocked down enemy with a headshot and you must shoot twice, but it is great for the fast scope inside the multiplayer mode and the mobility and speed of aim is good. But the best weapon of the season is MCW, which has been buffed several times and its conversion kit is insane at the close range.
Abi sol abi. Ne yapıyorsun bu?
Geçen posta
Özür
açın.
dilerim. Ben değilim.
Ona aldım.
FGX Horus, an SMG that was useless when it came out, but it was improved in this season and now it can be said that it is one of the best weapons for close range, high fire rate and enough magazine can guarantee the knockdown of your enemy. Be sure to subscribe to be notified of the next videos. Thank you, let's watch the rest of the video together.
Yes.
Potasını da bak. Oma aç.
واحد مو
نزلناه ايوه نزلني اللي ورايا.
Baba ben
Strike inbound.
hadi geçen atıyorum ama.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. Located.
Help Said Ali help. Bir kişi uzada.
Hostile mortar strike incoming.
لا جاي داس وما عندي سلاح ما شاء الله.
Oma da hadi.
علی من فینیشر کنم من فینیشر نرز داره.
Teammate. Semtex out.
active.